The cookout clash is underway. Here's some audio from Kyle Busch.
A few moments later. Tight.
There you go. There it is. Surprised
Hamlin
him.
puts it to the inside. They trade paint. They're dead even at the line.
Outside.
I'll take that. It's mine now.
Blaney has made his way into the top 10 after starting last. And there is the caution flag. We're back under green for 100 more laps.
It didn't work. Silhouette. There, see Dave.
Moments later.
Line, here they go into one.
Slid him way up the racetrack. Yeah.
All right, here's Christopher Bell's radio.
This is fun. We're having fun. I hear you. Get all the spots you can.
Meanwhile.
And a lap ago, Byron got squeezed up toward the barrier out of turn 4.
Oh! Teammates!
Around they go in a hard crash.
Just then.
How about new, you crazy Dutch bastard?
Wow, he is there.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way.
So I'm taking it back. I'm taking them all back.
Suarez gets out of Blaney's way, but it's too little too late. Chase Elliott into turn 3. Off of turn 4, Chase Elliott, Rick Hendrick Chevrolet win the cookout clash at Bowman Gray Stadium.
Fantastic job.
Go, boys. Awesome job. Appreciate y'all.